Okay, good. I'm doing a whole 32 kilometers per hour.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you like this video today. We're actually doing a car review of a Mercedes C63. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel down below. You can order t-shirts, you can do all kinds of things. I'm going to be providing you detailing advice and also a great show of the C63 AMG. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by doing a full walk around of the car. As you can see that there's carbon fiber everywhere with a big Mercedes logo right in the middle. And check out the awesome AMG brake pads and rims. This car is amazing and it looks beautiful in white. There's carbon fiber everywhere, even on the steering wheel. Let's move on back to the back of the car. Get ready to start the car and let you take a look at what comes out the exhaust. Alright, now we're going to take a step inside. Check out all the carbon fiber along the door, around all the buttons. Start button right here. If you like this video and you live near Fayetteville, North Carolina, and you would like to get your car reviewed, potentially detailed, just send me a message on email, SUPERCAR Luxury Detailing at yahoo.com. Send me a comment below.